How to get flicker in Capcut. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get flicker in Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. After opening up the app, tap to add the project to edit. Then tap on the video and you will see the editing bar from the bottom. Now tap to add text from the editing bar to your video. After that, put a dot in your text bar. Then click to zoom in the dot onto your video. Now make it black in color. After that, adjust the opacity according to your preference. Then, tap on the animation button and choose the out option. Then select the flicker option and make sure it's on max speed. After applying the flicker on the video, you will see the video start flickering. Flicker can add a unique and visually appealing element to your videos, creating a sense of motion or energy. It can make your video stand out and engage viewers. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.